have 6 eyes, 3 ears, and 2 mouths. What am I? Ugly.
Not bode well.
Detroit, make some noise for human error.
Are you ready now? Okay. What are the only 2 meals that Vin Diesel eats? Breakfast and Breakfurious.
All right, I got a real good joke for you. American politics.
How does a computer get drunk? The computer take a screenshot.
What key do you get when you drop a piano dyna mine shaft? A flat minor.
Do you know? Oh crap.
It's alright, I put that in bloopers.
Okay, hold on, I lost it. Do you know why I'm afraid of calendars? Because it always tells me that my days are numbered.